Hey there, awesome viewers. Today we are diving into the world of Chrome extensions. And trust me, you won't want to miss out these game changers. Whether you are an AI enthusiast or looking to streamline your Gmail and LinkedIn game, let's jump into the magic of three amazing AI tools that are about to make your online experience incredible. First, we have Bard GPT, the dynamic duo of Bard AI and ChatGPT, brought together in one seamless extension. All you need are accounts for Bard and ChatGPT, and you are good to go. Just install the extension, log in, and voila! Use the shortcut keys from any tab to quick launch. Save time and money effortlessly. Let's make your digital life simpler starting right now. Now let's talk about Ease Email, your Gmail game changer. Sending emails just got a whole lot smarter. This AI tool is elevate your Gmail experience. Just follow these steps with me. Last but certainly not least, let's explore the wonder of Human Circle AI, a LinkedIn dream come true. Are you tired of endless scrolling to find the right connection? This Chrome extension is here to change the game. Whether you are a hiring manager, job seeker, or sales lead, this tool is your secret weapon. Say hello to a streamlined LinkedIn search experience, connecting you with right people effortlessly while building trust from the get to go. Let's redefine your LinkedIn journey with Human Circle AI. And there you have it, folks. Three incredible Chrome extensions ready to revolutionize your online experience. From merging Bard AI and ChatGPT to smarter Gmail replies and a LinkedIn search game changer. These tools are here to simplify your digital life. Install, explore, and level up your online game. If you found value, then like the video, hit subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. Until next time, keep learning, keep perfecting yourself.